Now we're going to create the 45-degree unit circle. Another name for this is the pi over 4 unit circle. Okay, we are going to divide a circle into pi over 4 increments. So I need a circle first, and I'm going to make it right here. I need my x and y axis. Okay, right there. Okay, and since this is 45 degrees, I'm just going to divide the 90 degree in half, somewhere around here. And likewise, on the other side, a quarter circle is divided into 2. So there you go. And again, once again, we can skip count. So this is 0 degrees. This one's 45. You skip counting 45 degrees. This is 90. You add 45. This is 135. This is 180. This is 225. This is 270. 315. And the last one back to 0, or 360 degrees. Now if you notice, the full circle of course is equivalent to 360, which is also equivalent to 2 pi, and we divided that into how many slices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So 8 slices, and if we divide that by 8 for each of the slices, it's a pi over 4. Just like what I did in my part 1. So we can name this 45-degree angle as a pi over 4 in radians. This one is a 2 pi over 4. This is a 3 pi over 4. A 4 pi over 4. A 5 pi over 4. This one will be a 6 pi over 4. A 7 pi over 4. And an 8 pi over 4. The last step will be just to simplify the fractions. So simplifying them, the 2 pi over 4 will just give you a pi over 2. The 4 pi over 4 will just give you a pi. The 6 pi over 4 is a 3 pi over 2. And the 8 pi over 4 will just give you a simple 2 pi, one simplified. And guys, this is your 45-degree or pi over 4 unit circle. Another special thing about the 45-degree unit circle is that the legs, if you are going to create your triangle with each of the degrees, the legs, the horizontal and the vertical ones, are equal, because this is also a 45 degree. That's a 45 degree. So this is a right isosceles triangle. And each of the measurement of the legs, if we have a radius equal to 1 unit, is equivalent to square root of 2 over 2. So please take note of that. Square root of 2 over 2 will be the measurement of the x and the y components when the radius is equal to 1. So this is for the part 2 of your unit circle video. Thank you.